request Ms. Prachi Vakaria, Director Wiser, who has joined, to give brief remarks on the vision and the scale of the program. Thank you. Over to Ms. Prachi.
Thank you, sir, and good morning to everyone. Welcome. It's a pleasure to see so many of you here today. Under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. N. Naidu, Amaravati is being built as a global hub for quantum technologies and innovation and a true quantum valley. And we at WISER are very excited to help build it. Before telling you about WISER's role in the Amaravati Quantum Valley, I want to briefly explain how WISER, the Washington Institute for STEM Entrepreneurship and Research, how we think about the future. WISER was founded around a simple but demanding question. How do we decide which technologies matter the most? Not today, not tomorrow, but 3, 5, 10, 20 years from now. And how do we then prepare the people and talent for these technologies? To answer that, our work is focused around 3 areas: education and scientific and advanced scientific training, research, connecting foundational inquiry to real technical problems that industry or governments tackle today, and lastly, entrepreneurship. So taking these bold ideas that each one of you may have and moving that from theory into practice and implementation. Till date, WISER has trained over 10,000 learners, from bachelors to postdoctoral researchers. These people come from over 120 different countries. And across our program, women represent over 44 and in some instances 100% of all learners, far exceeding industry averages. Our network of educators and speakers include Nobel Prize laureates and winning scientists, leaders from top technology companies, and experts working at the frontiers of science and technology. None of this happens by accident. So it's a result of really deliberate choices we've made over the course of our establishment. And many of these choices were shaped by taking inspiration from one US government agency called DARPA. Many of you may have never even heard of DARPA. It's not surprising. It's a very small, elite US government agency. But you know its outcomes: internet, GPS, satellites, modern semiconductors, AI, voice recognition. All of these technologies trace their origin back to DARPA funding. And DARPA's importance is that they identify foundational technologies that could shape the world and invest in them before anyone else does. And this is also where WISER comes in. We take this DARPA-inspired model and we apply it not to hardware or technologies, but to people. And we ask, which technologies are going to be revolutionary in the future? And how do we make sure we train a global, diverse workforce that can lead them? Quantum science is one of those technologies. Quantum 1.0 has already shaped the modern world through lasers, MRIs, semiconductors, atomic clocks, OLED TV screens. What we are now entering is Quantum 2.0, a phase where quantum computation, sensing, communication, materials, all of this moves from the lab demonstrations to real scalable systems. And at WISER, we partner with institutions such as IBM, MIT, IonQ, MITRE, NIST, Google, Amazon, and many other partners across the quantum ecosystem to ensure that our training and the training that each one of you as a student in Andhra Pradesh gets reflects the latest advances that are being made in the field. For each student in Andhra Pradesh, I want to say that you're not just learning about what comes next. Soon, you're going to be part of how it gets built. This year itself, WISER will train more than 50,000 students in quantum in Andhra Pradesh. That already makes WISER and the government of AP and this program the largest quantum training program in the entire world. And over the course of the next 5 years, our mission is to establish a quantum talent hub. So this hub we are aiming to establish in Amaravati in the early quarters and the early months of 2026. Through this WISER Quantum Talent Hub, we will train more than 200,000 or 2 lakh students in quantum, creating a talent pool of the best quantum talent in the state, support local quantum startups, and connect Andhra Pradesh back to the global quantum ecosystem, and hopefully position each one of you and Amaravati especially as a quantum capital, not just for India, but for the whole world. We're really grateful for the partnership with the Chief Minister, Mr. Naidu, and the Amaravati Quantum Valley team for this partnership, and really excited to work with you ahead. You are able to find me or my colleague on LinkedIn anytime and follow our work and join our initiatives. Thank you.